Hello and welcome. In today's video we'll be doing a sew-in on our hair using this very cheap synthetic hair. I bought this hair on AliExpress. How much I bought this hair I don't remember, but I'm going to check the link and leave it for you guys in case you want to check this hair out. So this is how this hair is looking like. Here you have extra crochet hair. If you want, you can just crochet it in your hair or do whatever you want to do at the end of your style with the rest of this hair. So what I'm going to do now is just go straight and show you guys how I achieve this style. I'm going to start working with my hair. So like always, whenever you're doing your protective hairstyle, you should always moisturize your hair. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to finish all of this hair off camera. Otherwise, we take forever with this video, okay? So now I'm done braiding the whole of this hair. You can see the back hair is still looking big, but nothing bad. It's a coiling hair. Nobody's going to see the back. I don't know if I'm going to leave this hair long like this because I don't too much love long hair. I'm going to fold it into two. If you want bigger hair, you can fold it like 3 or 4 times. But I don't like when my hair is too big. That's why I'm folding it only twice. Let me turn my back so that you can see what I'm doing. Don't judge me, I'm not perfect. I'm going to start sewing right here. for over 2 years. I have not done this hairstyle, not for me, not for anybody. So it's not that easy, you know, but I'm trying to succeed. The most important thing is you never lost the thread on your hand. If you lost it, you'll be taking a lot of time to look for the thread. So you try to hold it like this so that you will not lost it. What is happening here? Look. Oh, shit. Oh no. I forget to tell you guys that this hair came in 3 bundles. I've used one. This is second one, third and fourth one. Now I'm about using the second one now. You will want to make sure that you double your thread. Wow, looks so big, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my crochet needle to pick some hair here, bring it out here to make the part look so clean, because this way it doesn't look nice at all. Whoa, look at what we have here. The part is okay now, it's not that rough. Wow. For most of you who love bigger hair, I tell you guys, this is something for you. It's so big and this hair is so lightweight. I'm just going to apply some mousse and come back. So guys, this is my finished look. This is my hair after 2 days. I was so lazy to come back on camera to show you guys that this is my final look. You see, this hair is a lot of hair, and let me show you the back. I don't know if you can see that very well. You see how long this hair is? The hair is so long and so big, and it's also very easy to work with. So this hair is worth trying for the price. It's very good and okay. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Nothing much to say or nothing much to show you guys. Is finished, and I'm going to check for the link where I bought this hair and leave it guys for you in case you want to go and try this hair out. You want to go check it out, okay? But from now, this is the end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? Comment and feel free to ask whatever you want to ask concerning this hair. Thank you guys so much for your time, for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.